Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a simple but highly effective flaxseed gel mask that will leave your skin hydrated, firm and glowing. This mask is perfect for anyone looking for a natural remedy to tighten, hydrate and brighten the skin. Let's quickly go over the benefits. Flaxseed gel is fantastic for tightening the skin and keeping it hydrated. Aloe vera gel soothes and calms the skin, reducing irritation. Glycerin locks in moisture, leaving your skin soft and supple. Lemon juice brightens the skin and helps fade dark spots. Here's what you'll need to make this mask. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to soak the flax seeds. A few drops of lemon juice, optional especially if you have sensitive skin. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Let's start by making the flaxseed gel. Take 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and soak them in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Let them sit for about 10 to 20 minutes until the mixture thickens into a gel-like consistency. After soaking, you'll notice the mixture has turned into a gel. Now, strain the flax seeds to separate the gel, and we're ready to mix our ingredients. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of the flaxseed gel with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of glycerin. If you want to brighten your skin, you can also add a few drops of lemon juice, but if your skin is sensitive, feel free to skip the lemon. Now that our mask is ready, apply it evenly on your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. It's going to feel super refreshing, especially with the aloe vera. Let the mask sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Once the mask is fully dry, rinse it off with lukewarm water, followed by a splash of cold water to close your pores. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and firm right away. This mask is a great natural alternative for reducing fine lines and giving your skin a fresh, youthful glow. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this flaxseed mask, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural skincare tips. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. See you in the next video. Bye.